Hey guys, Hayden here again from Alarm System Store, and I wanted to do a quick video today on one of the Pro Series cameras from Alarm.com. This is the 838PF. It's the dome-style Pro Series camera, and there's a bit of a hiccup when you go to install this. It's not really a hiccup, I guess. It's just a little awkward to try and figure out how to get the base of the camera off. So I thought I'd cover it today so that you guys don't struggle with it like some have in the past. But essentially, as you can see, it's just a pretty standard dome camera. But essentially the main thing I wanted to focus on in this video is this ring that goes around the camera right here. And most people, whenever they pull this out of the box, they're gonna know that, hey, my screws have to go through there somehow, but it is a little bit difficult to get that cover off, and it's not really explained in the manual how that comes off. And I've seen a lot of people like try to pry it up or even just turn it the wrong way, but essentially it is just a screwed on cover for the mounting holes. So what you want to do is place it down as flat as you can. Obviously the cable is going to be kind of in the way, and basically just hold the camera in place and then grip the ring itself and then turn counterclockwise. So once you do that, you can actually look in the back here, and there's a little notch where the cable can run through if you're flat mounting it on something and you're not putting the cable through the wall. So whenever you go to get that ring off, you can see it actually displaces the little the notch there, so you know you're making progress. But basically from there it just kind of pops off. And I just wanted to go over this because we have had some customers struggle with that a little bit, where they've reached out, and we would just want to clear up any potential issues with any cameras that we find. So it's not really an issue. There's nothing wrong with the camera itself. It is just a little bit difficult to get that to unscrew. A lot of times I can't even do it just by holding the camera and turning like that. And the only reason I probably can on this one is because I have taken it on and off so many times just doing this video, or trying to anyway. But anyway, that's all I wanted to show. Whenever you get this, before you mount it, just set it down on a flat surface like this, hold the top of the camera, grip it as best you can, and then turn counterclockwise on the ring, and then just lift straight up and off the camera. So now it's pretty straightforward once you understand how it works, but somebody that's never seen the camera before, or a lot of people that come to us have never even worked with a camera in their life before, so it is good knowledge to have. That way you don't end up breaking the cover, because as you can see, like, the camera itself isn't very pretty without that cover. You can see all the screws and the holes that they leave for mounting and whatnot. So anyway, if you get the 838PF from Alarm.com, just know that this little ring cover, this covers your mounting holes. So once you get that off, these larger holes here are your mounting holes. So you can use the little diagram they give you to line out your holes, like so. Put that up on your wall, drill your holes as needed, and then once you have that cover off, then you can just stick the screws straight up through. So pretty simple little video here, but we have had a couple customers basically break the ring whenever they were trying to get it off. So I just wanted to try and avoid that in the future. So if you guys get one of these, just be careful with it. This is just plastic. The rest of the camera is metal. So if you turn this too hard, or if you're just prying up on it, it is pretty easy to break these plastic rings. And whenever you break something like this, there are no replacement parts for like the tiny little things like this. So unfortunately, there's nothing we can do to help them make their camera look sightly again. The only thing you can really do is replace the camera. So just be careful with it when you get it. But that's really it for this video. So if you don't mind, leave a like and subscribe if you can. And if you have any other issues with Alarm.com cameras or equipment or anything related to DSC or Honeywell equipment that we carry, by all means reach out to us, leave us a comment. Something like this it seems silly to some, but there are a lot of people out there that this is very useful information. So if you have a stupid question, no questions are stupid. Ask them, and we'll cover anything we can to help you guys make sure that you have good equipment when you put it up. So anyway, any other questions, head to alarmsystemstore.com. You can check out our website. We do carry these cameras and the service for them if you want it. Otherwise, that's going to do it for me. So you guys have a good one, and I will catch you guys on the next one.